Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.
Today we will discuss about design of OSI model and explain the each layers with an examples. Introductions to OSI model. The OSI Open System Interconnect model is in a conceptual framework that standardizes the future functions of telecommunications or communicating the system into 7 distinct layers. It helps the different systems to communicate with each other by defining the set of rules protocols for each layer. The OSI model is essential for understanding how the network communication works and troubleshooting the network issues. First one, the physical layer. The physical layer is responsible for transmitting raw data bits over a physical medium such as cables or wireless signals. It deals with physical characteristics of a transmissions medium such as voltage levels, cables types and connectors. And examples of a physical layer in action is the transmissions of data throughout the Ethernet cables in a local network area. Second one is data link layer. The data link layer establishes reliable connections between two nodes and the nodes on the same network segments. It is responsible for failing and error detections and flow control to ensure the data integrity during transmission. An example of a data link layer is Ethernet protocol, which uses a MAC address to deliver the packets within a LAN. Third one is a network layer. The network layer is responsible for routing packets from a source to destinations across multiple networks. It determines the best path for data transmissions and handle addressings and manage traffic congestions. An example for a network layer is Internet protocol, which assigns unique IP addresses to devices and enables the communications between them over internet. Fourth one is a transport layer. The transport layer ensures reliable end-to-end connections between a source and destination host. It provides error checking, flow control, data segmentations to prevent data loss and ensures the delivery in a correct order. An example for a transport layer is a transmissions control protocol, which establishes the connections and breaks the data into a segment and reassembles them into a receiving end. Third one is a session layer. The session layer establishes, manages and terminates the sessions between applications on different devices. It handles synchronizations, dialog control and checkpointing to maintain communications between the applications. An example of a session layer is Net IBOS protocol, which allows the applications to establish seasons for filing information and printer services. Presentations layer. The presentation layer is responsible for data translations, encryptions and compressions to ensure the compatibility between the different systems. It formats the data in a way that the application layer can understand, regardless the difference in the data formats. An example of a presentation layer is encryptions of data using a secure sockets layers for ensure the online translations. Seventh one, layer 7, applications layer. The applications layer is a topmost layer that interacts indirectly with an user, provides network services. It includes protocols of remote access and other application specific functions. An example of an application layer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP), which allows the web browsers to retrieve the web pages from a service and display them to users.